Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2011 Ford Explorer in a base trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine, providing you with plenty of power for getting around with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions. But let's take a look inside. First, looking at the back, where you have your third row seating area, which can also be converted into a very spacious cargo area. But they get their own cup holders and cubbies, and you have seating for 7 in total in this vehicle, with a 12-volt power outlet right there. And looking into the second row, where you have seating for 3 comfortably, and in the middle you have your rear climate controls, another 12-volt, and 2 cup holders. And looking in the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it sitting at 197,630 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, as well as your controls for your radio, or for your stereo here in general. And then on the left you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip 1 and 2 information with a trip odometer, trip timer, distance to empty, fuel economy, fuel used, and then you can also go into your information for your 4-wheel drive status or all-wheel drive status, your My Key info, coolant temperature, and then you can go into your settings and system checks, so you can mess around with your screen and some other features around your vehicle. To the left you have your lighting controls, as well as your tow haul mode button, and moving on to your center you have your infotainment screen here with radio, SIRIUS, CD, auxiliary, so you have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to. But then moving on from that, you have your media controls, your hazards, your climate controls, as well as your rear climate controls, because you have front and rear climate, which is always a nice convenience for a multi-passenger vehicle. And then down here you have this compartment with your auxiliary and 12-volt inside, so you can plug something into power or charge or hook up your audio there. And then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, 2 cup holders, and your terrain selector for, you have mud ruts, sand mode, and snow mode, as well as having your hill descent assist in the middle there. Then you have your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious, with a 12-volt power outlet inside, so you can plug something in from there too. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.